日, which means the sun. According to this picture, you can easily figure out the meaning of it. While in modern Chinese, we often call the sun 太阳. Our next character is 月, the moon. The ancient character looks just like the crescent moon, while in modern Chinese we call it 月亮. We have the sun, the moon. Of course, now we should have the stars. It's 星 or 星星. In ancient China, people thought that the stars were produced because of the sun. That's why the character 日 is on the top of this character.